NVIDIA pivots to a $30 billion direct stake in OpenAI. That decouples it from the $100 billion milestone, as Sam Altman hopes to remain a, quote, gigantic customer. NVIDIA has entered the final stages of a landmark $30 billion equity investment in OpenAI, effectively replacing a massive $100 billion infrastructure agreement that had been the subject of intense market speculation. The $30 billion deal, confirmed by sources close to negotiations, marks a significant pivot from the non-binding letter of intent signed in September of 2025. The original plan contemplated a $100 billion investment tied to the deployment of 10 gigawatts of compute power. Instead, the new $30 billion commitment is a direct stake in OpenAI's current funding round, which is being raised at $730 billion pre-money valuation. Crucially, CNBC noted that the investment is, quote, not tied to any deployment milestones, end quote, granting both companies more flexibility as the AI landscape shifts. Before I finish this off, let me know what you think about this. Is this a red flag? Is this a good thing? Let me know what you think about the change here and how this is all going to go. Speaking from the AI Impact Summit in New Delhi, India, OpenAI CEO Sam Altman addressed the recent volatility in reports regarding the NVIDIA partnership. Altman sought to calm investor anxiety, calling the swirling rumors of a rift, quote, insanity, end quote. I guess that's a follow-up there. Do you think it's insane? Despite reports of OpenAI exploring internal chip designs, Altman clarified that the company will continue to utilize a rich portfolio of hardware, including NVIDIA's upcoming Vera Rubin platform. The massive scale of the round, which could top $100 billion with contributions from Amazon and SoftBank, has raised questions about circular financing, where chip makers invest in the very startups that buy their hardware. Altman pushed back on these concerns, stating that, quote, revenue is growing so fast, end quote, across the ecosystem that the investments are supported by real-world demand rather than artificial loops. OpenAI's revenue reportedly surged past $20 billion in 2025, providing a buffer for its high annual burn rate. Quote, the energy here and what people are building is remarkable, end quote. Altman told that to CNBC, referring to the global AI buildout, and then continued to say we're in the beginning of the largest infrastructure buildout in history.